I used to be a 3 cups a day coffee guy. Not the fancy latte kind, just black, strong and necessary. My day didn't start until that first bitter sip hit my bloodstream. Without it, I was foggy, irritable, and basically useless until 10 a.m. I tried everything to cut back. Decaf tasted like disappointment. Tea, too weak. Cold turkey. Migraines for days. Nothing worked. Coffee had me by the throat. Then, 6 months ago, I stumbled on a 15-minute morning ritual that completely replaced my coffee addiction. Not reduced it, replaced it. I haven't had a single cup in 183 days, and I have more energy, steadier focus, and 0 crashes. No supplements, no weird herbs. Just 5 simple things I do every morning between waking up and 7 a.m. Here's exactly what I do, and why it worked when everything else failed. Minute 1 to 3. Cold water, face shock. Deep breathing. The alarm goes off. It's across the room, so I have to get up. I walk to the bathroom and splash ice-cold water on my face for 30-60 seconds. Not a gentle rinse. Full blast, eyes open, gasping. Then I do 10 rounds of box breathing. Inhale 4 seconds, hold 4, exhale 4, hold 4. That's it. 3 minutes. The cold water spikes adrenaline and norepinephrine, natural stimulants, while the breathing calms my nervous system. I walk out feeling wide awake. No caffeine needed. Minute 4 to 8, 5 minutes of sunlight. Movement. I step onto my balcony or open the curtains and stare at the sky for 5 minutes, even if it's cloudy. Andrew Huberman's research showed me that morning light exposure sets your circadian rhythm and boosts serotonin. While I'm out there, I do light movement, neck rolls, arm swings, gentle squats. Nothing intense. Just enough to raise my body temperature and get blood flowing. This combo tells my brain it's morning better than any espresso shot ever could. Minute 9 to 13. Gratitude plus intention journaling. I sit at my kitchen table with a simple notebook and write 3 things. 1 thing I'm grateful for right now, even if it's just I'm breathing. 1 thing I'm excited about today. My top priority, the one thing that, if I do it, will make today a win. Takes 4 to 5 minutes. This habit rewired my brain from what's wrong to what's possible. Coffee used to be my crutch for mood, now gratitude does the heavy lifting. Minute 14-15, protein plus fat. Mini meal. I eat something small but nutrient-dense within 30 minutes of waking. Greek yogurt with nuts, 2 boiled eggs, or a protein shake with almond butter. No carbs, no sugar. This stabilizes blood sugar and provides sustained energy. Coffee on an empty stomach spikes cortisol and leads to crashes. This mini meal prevents that entirely. That's it. 15 minutes, done by 6:45 a.m. most days. The results were shocking. Week 1. I still craved coffee like crazy. Headaches, irritability, the works, but I stuck to the ritual. The cold water and sunlight helped blunt the cravings. Week 2. The fog lifted. I woke up clearer than I ever did with coffee. No jitters, no anxiety spikes. Month 1, energy became steady. No more 2 p.m. crash. My workouts improved. Same effort, better performance. Month 3, I forgot coffee existed. I'd walk past a cafe and smell it, and feel nothing. No pull, no just 1 cup. My brain had reset its reward system. The ritual gave me natural dopamine and serotonin hits that were stronger and longer lasting than caffeine ever was. Month 6, now. Sleep quality, best of my life, 7 to 8 hours deep. Focus, 3-4 hour blocks without distraction. Mood, stable, no more caffeine-induced anxiety. Productivity, doubled. Side hustle now makes $3,200 a month. Health, lost 12 lbs without trying. Steady energy, 6 less emotional eating. The science behind it is solid. Caffeine blocks adenosine, sleep pressure, but doesn't clear it. You just delay the crash. My ritual works with my biology instead of against it. Cold exposure, plus light, natural cortisol and dopamine boost. Gratitude, increases serotonin, protein, fat, stable blood sugar. Movement, raises BDNF for brain health. Most people think quitting coffee means suffering forever. It doesn't. You just need to replace the benefits, not the substance. I'm not anti-coffee. I still love the smell. But I don't need it anymore. My mornings are mine now, calm, clear, and full of natural energy. If you're chained to your coffee cup like I was, try this ritual for 14 days. In just 14, worst case, you waste 15 minutes a day. Best case, you get your brain back. I've put the exact ritual checklist in the description. Free download. Comment, "No more coffee," if you're starting tomorrow. You don't need caffeine to be awake. You need a system that works with your body, not against it. Let's do this.